Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key. From here you want to tap on power off, and when the device shuts off you want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And you should see a ZTE logo on the screen briefly. There we go. Hold it for like 2 more seconds and then let go. And there we are right now in the recovery mode. Now, in this mode, we do need to use volume keys instead of actually tapping on options. So volume down will scroll down and volume up will go up. And as you can see, you can reboot the device, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view some logs, and run test along with simply powering off the device. And whatever you select, you then confirm it with power key, basically accept it. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select reboot system now and press power key, and this will confirm it. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.